Kyle Bukhajev is set to go down against Abus Magomedov, and Abus Magomedov, no cardio fighter, he is not training at all, literally. 6'2", 78 inches of reach. This UFC gym fighter was smoked out by Sean Strickland, and he defeated Dustin Stoltz via lucky shot. He wants to destroy you in the first round, but if he is unable to, then he is probably going to lose. Kyle Bukhajev is too technical for him. His ground game is outstanding. His stand-up game is excellent. He defeated Makhmud Muradov, Armen Petrosyan, Gadjiev Margadjiev, Mikhail Oleksichuk, Jesse Murray, and if he drags Magomedov to the ground, that's the end of the road. In just in case, I will say the fight will not go the distance. Maybe Magomedov gonna land a lucky shot, but he doesn't have cardio for 2 rounds. He needs to finish in the first. And Bukhajev can fight for 5 rounds, so really depends. Gonna say fight not going the distance. If I must pick a side, really confident in Kyle Bukhajev to win. I just think Bukhajev is going to be too much for Magomedov.